Assalamu rahmatullah. After a break, after a long break, I've come back to Pakistan, and I was just thinking of bringing you guys along and showing you something that I've noticed. It could be just a coincidence, or it's probably something that gives us a sign what to do and how to deal with the problems that we encounter while we are farming or growing crops and stuff. So I'll bring you along and show you what I mean by that. Here we are at the first swale that I have on the mound actually for the swale. So the swale is on the left, and this is the swale mound where we've grown napier grass, quite a lot of napier grass. We just cut it, chop and drop. And today I was just wandering around and having a look and realized that all these spaces where we've got chop and drop, and we've dropped quite a lot of that napier grass on the ground and covered it up, they are left untouched. But there is an area in front of us where on the left we've got quite a lot of napier grass mulch, but on the right there is not a lot of mulch. And here you see Porcupine tried to dig a hole, tried to nest here, make her nest. And that I see on other areas too, which I'll bring you along and show you. It's the same here. You can see all that napier grass mulch. And as we zoom out, we see just here where there is no mulch, you can see another hole, a big massive hole where the porcupine has dug it up and tried to make nest here. It's the same thing behind this tree. You can see the same scenario. Once again, as we look at the mulched parts, they have been left alone. I'll bring you along and show you all these areas. So this is what I have realized, that the places where the mulch is, that is less attractive to these kind of rodents. So here we've got one of our fig trees. This is one of the native varieties. So last year round I chopped it, I pruned it, and I threw all the mulch on the ground. And here you can see most of the mulch, most of the cuttings that we threw down as a mulch, as chop and drop, they didn't take. But there is one plant here which surprised me, that how kind the nature is, that as we've done zero care here, we just chopped and dropped that and we walked away. Had we taken care of them, had we taken the cuttings, put them in a, say, a medium or a soil, I'm pretty sure at least 50% would have taken. So this is one of the things which surprised me, and I thought I'll bring you along. There are two choices for me here. One, to leave this as it is, where it is, and second is dig it up, plant it somewhere else, and then perhaps graft it with a better varieties that are preferred. So let's see, and if you have an idea, let me know. What do you think? Should I leave it here? Here it's going to be right next to parent plant, and otherwise I can take it away somewhere else and then plant it where I think where we haven't got a fig tree. So do let me know. So this is it, inshallah. Assalamu rahmatullah.